So you could have these reviews and you can have your own pictures up here. I've put it on the simplest theme possible that comes with the standard out the box with WordPress, just to showcase the functionality. But you can trick this out as much as you want. You can have other videos above this. You can have ads plastered left, right. It doesn't matter. All it is a short code right here where you put the review short code in, and boom, it'll go out and pull in these reviews for you and put it wherever you want within that blog. Now, when someone actually comes here and clicks on Read More, the shadow box will open and take you over to City Search where the person actually left the review, so they can browse around and read more about the review without having to leave your site, which is very important. They do not have to leave your site just to get the more information on the review. But there is the abbreviated review right there on your site. So as you can see, you can have a fully functional, very high-powered local directory targeted and filled with premium content that looks as if you had to go out and spend weeks creating it, and prime real estate for paid advertising. These restaurants will happily pay to be on this site once you get it ranked. Users spend more time on the site reading reviews and such, and the search engines pick up more and your rankings reflect that. So now let's take a look at the settings and see what kind of options you have with WP Local Plus in the dashboard. Here we are in the dashboard, and the first thing you're going to notice in the main WP Local Plus menu here is that you have total customization of the color, look, and feel of the content that it gets streamed in. You can change the title color, the size. You can change the font from normal to italic. Paragraph sizing, paragraph colors, everything that you saw previously just now you can control. The color of the pop-up, the color of the featured ad box, okay? All that's right there for you. And then when you come into the business list, this section here is where you control all of the different lists. If your site's going to be, for example, about, let's say places here, if your site's going to be about hotels, you would just select hotels, put the zip code in right there, and let's just say 90210. You click on preview, and it's actually going to show you what the results will look like for what you've just put in. So here we are, 90210 Beverly Hills hotels. We wanted to limit the results to 20, and here are the hotels that come up. And you'll get what you can do is preview and see how many results you have coming back. If the results all have pictures, or maybe some don't have pictures. Not every business is going to have a picture for it, but the majority of them will. And this is a good tool to preview it before actually putting it live in your post. So then once you see that, you can just, if you like what you see, you can go ahead and add that business list, and I'll show you where that goes in a second. You can also, from this menu, control the shadow boxes. And you see the shadow boxes that pop up. You can control what page they pop up for, the content that's within them, the name, the height, the width of them. So it's fully flexible. Okay, so here's what a page looks like. And you'll see it's very simple. Here in the page section, we have where do you want to eat? Pick a city to find a restaurant, see the menus, maps, and reviews. In order for you to create this entire city directory here, the only thing you have to do with WP Local Plus is enter that shortcode. That shortcode right there, all city, equals all of this. And it makes it live. So when they click it, it takes it, if they click on Miami, it takes them to the whole Miami section here that you didn't even create. It will automatically create this for you within your blog. As you may recall, our directory here, and we have this featured listing here. To control that, right below the post, the page, you have WP Local Plus featured ads. All you do is enter the title, the link that you want the ad to go to, that would be the restaurant's website, their address and their phone number, and you save that, and that will become a featured ad. These are the people that will pay you premium dollars to put their listings here in these spots. You have 5 featured ad spots, more than enough, and I often suggest keeping in the featured section between 2 and 3, just so that it has that premium space without overdoing it at the top. But it's up to you. Sometimes on certain occasions, depending on the niche, you can go with all 5. Over here on the side, you will have your WP Local Plus controls. Okay, here's the city, the list, the actual list that we've created. So you'll see that if you scroll down here, you have hotels. and we just created this hotel list. So now if we select hotels and we take the short code, the WP Local Plus short code, and we paste that in, we will get a list of hotels that shows up right below the list of cities. Okay, that little short code there will show this entire directory list that you see here. And that's how you select which one that you're looking for. So I just want you to actually realize the flexibility you have here. I mean, you can do whatever you would normally do with your blog. You can have whatever content that you would normally have, your videos, your pictures. All you need to do is have WP Local Plus installed, drop these shortcodes, and you can design all around it. But now you can infuse a whole stream of power into your blog, local data that you wouldn't have had, that's all dynamic, that's all self-updating, just by inserting a few shortcodes. It's very, very powerful, and we've done this several different ways with and without WordPress, and this is by far has been the easiest and the most powerful way to get it done as far as importing live business data and Google Maps integration, customer reviews, and coupons. As for the actual pop-ups, this is where you control the pop-ups. Whatever you put into this box will become the hot word. So if you put steaks in this box, any occurrence of the word steak is going to trigger the bubble, okay, because you put steak in that box. Whatever you want the bubble to say is what you would put here. So get 15% off this month at Slanted Door and all steaks. That's where we put that in to show the text inside that bubble. Okay, very simple. The link, this is where you want the bubble to take the person to once they click it. And if you want a shadow box to appear over this box, over this page, you would just select it from the drop-down list because you've already created. You save that and you are done. That is all the customization you need to make every page in this shown in this demo site. And this can be built out as big or as small as you want. You don't have to incorporate all features. You can have just the city demo, a list of cities there on the site. Maybe you have a financial site or a realtor site, and you want to have all these cities as far as for finding properties, finding mortgage brokers or realtors that can help find properties. Then you can go to you can maybe make a site just for the coupons, for local coupons. You can make a site on local dining. Or whatever. You can make a review site just with local reviews, or you can combine them all together. You're only limited by your creativity when using this plugin, so go ahead, put it to use, roll it out in different ways within the different niche markets, and I'm sure you'll love it just as much as we have. Take care.